The most straightforward way to do sensitivity analysis is to do it one at a time, one factor at a time, that is. For instance, there is an uncertainty concerning the initial data. Actually, we may start here or we may start there, and our knowledge as to where precisely we start may be limited. There is an uncertainty concerning the initial data. Or we may not be able to precisely control the start of the ramp. If we start a little early, the total number of fish will be lower as if we start a little late. So as we change the single factors, sometimes the result goes up as we change a single factor, for instance, as in this case with the initial value. And sometimes, as we look at the upper limit of one of the factors, the result may go down, and it may go up as we look at the lower limit, like in this case for the time at which the ramp starts. We can apply this to all factors that influence the result and check the degree by which they influence the result. When we're just using the base value and then for every factor changing that factor to its upper limit and then to its lower limit, that's a little lazy. At times this can be too lazy. Most often the other possible values of that factor will lead to sensible curves in that range. But it may happen that sometimes you get very weird results for values in between. Nonetheless, in the upcoming program, we're looking at the outermost values. This code makes heavy use of dictionaries, a special feature of the Python language. A dictionary associates keys and values. So I can ask for the string initial underscore value and get 2 times 10 to the e5. I can ask for the string maximum underscore growth underscore rate and retrieve the value 0.5. This is a nice trick to have all factors in one place because we need to change them one at a time. These are the base values, and here we specify the uncertainties. So what we're saying here is that we know that the initial value of the amount of fish is between 2 times 10 to the 5 minus 5 times 10 to the 4 tons and 2 times 10 to the 5 plus 5 times 10 to the 4 tons, and so on and so on. This dictionary is simply to make things colorful. The different factors will get different colors as well in the diagram. If you look at the code that we provide, you'll see more details about dictionaries in there. In other programming languages, you may find dictionaries too, or you may have to look for associative arrays, or for maps, or for hash tables. From the information provided in the code, you should be able to return the key of the most critical parameter in this variable.